Welcome. My name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. I'll be covering the weekly market analysis with just few assets. But before we go on, I want to tell you what CJ Forex Global is all about. CJ Forex is not a broker, but we recommend brokers that are regulated. If you are logging into your client dashboard, once you click here, it will take you to different brokers. You will choose the one you want to register with and open an account with them. Now, CJ Forex mostly focus on training people on how to make consistent profit, okay? Our main focus is to teach you on how to become a successful profitable trader. Maybe you are an old trader who have been making series of loss. With CJ Forex online training, you are good to go. If you are a beginner, you are an old trader, this training is for you. We offer basic, intermediate, advanced, pro, and apprentice, and also mentorship, okay? Masters, okay? We offer masters, and we are bringing new one. Now, remember, CJ Forex also have we are also on Play Store, Google Play Store. You can download our app to access these systems and everything. Now, with CJ Forex, while you are learning, you can use our robot to trade. You buy, subscribe, and get our robot. You can also get our cash flow strategy. You can get present in alert indicator. You can have account management. That means you want our company account managers to manage your account. You can also subscribe for our paid signals. These are the services that will help you while you are learning at the academy. You can be earning with this service, okay? Our weekly analysis is going to cover from the 20th of February 2023 to 24th of February 2023. So let's go and look at what the market will look like this coming week we are about to enter. We are going to be starting with DXY, okay? DXY is known as dollar index. If you look at what happened last week, we are going straight to the point. Last week got rejected by the resistance level and ended up closing with a rejection with a small body. So we are expecting this week to make a bearish move. That means dollar is going to be weak this coming week. So if you are looking for opportunity to sell dollar, you should know that dollar is going to be weak this coming week. So let us look out for Euro GBP. On Euro GBP last week, if you look at what happened last week closed with a smaller body compared with the previous bullish candle that comes. So it shows that the bears are still in the market. That means that GBP will gain strength against Euro GBP. So let's look out for a sell opportunity on GBP US. So the market will sell from here. It will sell from this up here. It will sell down to this place. So you should be expecting a sell on Euro GBP. If you're a student of CJ Forex, there are some parameters that need to be made before you can consider entering the market for a sell. But we are just giving you market general overview. Let us look at Euro USD. What do you think about Euro USD? If you look at last week closed with an exhaustion from the bears and from the bulls. You can see very well. But one thing that triggered this market to close very well, you see that the market closed with a rejection from the flat, from the a support level, and now we should be expecting a bullish move. Okay, so but you look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame, we are expecting it to give us a valid entry. But remember, this market got this particular candle that rejected on Friday, got rejected at this support level here. Okay, it got rejected at this particular level. Okay, if you look at it, it got rejected at this place. So we should be expecting a buy, and this buy is going to buy to this level. So your first TP should be here, your second TP you should be here, and the third TP is here. Expect a bullish move because US dollar is extremely going to be weak this coming week. So let's look at GBP US dollar. GBP US dollar. So last week, if you look very well, it got rejected and was closed in a smaller bullish bearish body just like last week. But this time around, the bulls are the one rejecting the market fiercely. So we should be expecting a bullish move this coming week. We are entering. Your ticket TP is here and there. So what you should be doing is that you should be looking for a smaller unit where you can set your buy limit. Don't forget, this market always perform what we call intentional move. That is trading against the market for a while before going to the original direction. So probably you might be expecting the market to make a little bit pullback before it start going up. So expect a pullback before going. But the general market overview this week is going to be a buy move on GBP USD. Also, then let us look at US CAD. On US CAD, we are expecting a sell this week. This market got rejected by this resistance level. So we expect a sell on US CAD. That means US dollar is weak. CAD is going to drag this market down to this particular level. So expect a sell. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know what and what needs to be made before you consider selling the market. Then on this particular asset called USD CHF, they are correlated, so it's also going to be a sell. If you look at the way the market was fiercely rejected, thereby forming a shooting star, I think there is something that triggered this shooting star, which is this resistance level. So we expect this market to fall down to this place. So if you look at it on the daily time frame, so we were looking out for a sell opportunity on USD CHF. Australian USD is going to make a bullish move because it got rejected by a support level, okay, very strong support level, which is this place, okay, this monthly support level. So we should be expecting a buy opportunity, although it's going to give us, and if you look at the daily time frame, it also there was a support level here that rejected the Friday market fiercely. So we should expect a buy to this point. There are some certain parameters that need to be met before we can consider making a bullish move. Let us look out for GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, we are looking out for a buy opportunity. Remember that GBP is going to gain strength this month, so this week. So we should be expecting a bullish move. Okay, that is a little bit pullback before coming up. And the expectation of, if you look at what happened last week was increasing in momentum. That means it closed with a very big candle. It was not even resisted by the resistance level. So we expect the new week to rise up and get to this place. But that's the closest resistance level we are expecting this week. So we should be looking for a buy opportunity. If you are a student of CJ Forex, you probably know what needs to be made before you can consider buying the market. So let us look at GBP CHF. The same thing, all the GBP pairs are correlated because GBP is going to gain strength. So let us look at CHF. Last week, what really happened? There was an indecision setup, but trigger rejection by this support level that we are seeing at this point here. There is a support level here. Okay, there is a support level here that trigger this market to get rejected. So we should be looking for a buy opportunity on GBP CHF. So if you're a student of CJ Forex, you should be looking for a buy opportunity, and you know the real parameters that need to be set before you can consider buying the market to this nearest TP. So your first targeted TP is here, your second TP is here. So look for a buy opportunity. Patience is very, very important. There are things that need to be set up before you can look out for a buy opportunity. So be aware of that. Remember what we taught you on the master's class, for you that have gone through the master's training. Then on this particular asset, the same thing, there is a bullish increase. You can see there was an exhaustion from the bearish side last week. So this week that just finished, this one increased the momentum. So we should be expecting a buy. We are going to buy down to this place, okay? So let's look at the daily time frame and see our setup. There is a setup, so the market will surely go down, then move up to this level. So look for a buy opportunity. Your first TP is here, your second TP is here, and your third TP is here. To look for a buy opportunity on GBP card, okay? Let's look at crude, and that's one of the final. On crude, we should be looking out for a buy opportunity. We are going to buy, but although the market will still fall down to touch to this support level before heading down. So here it will have challenge around there, and then after it got to this place. So look for a buy opportunity on crude. Look at how crude ended. It shows with the exhaustion of the bears. So the bears could not even pull down this closing. So that means that the market is still going to go up this coming week. So let us look at gold, what gold is going to look like. Gold was fiercely rejected. Gold was fiercely at the weekly support level, and also the daily support level. It shows that the level where it got rejected, and if you look at it, that means the level it got rejected is very strong. The support level is very so we should be expecting a buy opportunity on gold. So if you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know where to buy, and we are going to buy down to this level. Okay, so expect a strong buy, but there are some certain parameters that need to be met before we can consider buying this asset. Though we are going to be looking at synthetic, I'm not going to talk much on synthetic, only focus on V75. Last week, V75 showed exhaustion on the bearish side, and exactly the V75 is at a weekly support level. So we are expecting this market to move up this coming week we are entering. Look at last month. Last month closed with a bullish move, but because this market came down very fiercely, but this bullish move exhausted the market. So we expect this new month to through an exhaustion, complete exhaustion before buy will commence, but we are expecting a buy opportunity this new week. So if you are a student of CJ Forex, there are some certain level you should be looking out for a sell opportunity. So let's look at this market and look what we can get out of it in this new move. Thank you. My name is still Remen Kujose, the admin of CJ Forex. Have a nice day. I hope you make the right decision by enrolling to CJ Forex Online Training Academy. Subscribe to our cash flow strategy, our robot account management and presenting alert indicator, and also our signal. You know, in this business, if you are well equipped, you will become a successful trader. So make the right decision and say no to losing trade. Thank you once again and have a nice day.